It's about that time, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Monday afternoon. The markets, they're seeing a ton of action to start off the week. And after a long day, it's time to take off your tie. Yeah, mine's still on. I'll be taking it off shortly. But first, grab a drink because it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close right behind me. So you know what to do. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're trading in a narrow range this Monday afternoon as investors have looked ahead to the light week of economic reports as well as some consolidation in both the currency as well as energy markets. Now, first, we have to begin on the economic front. We did have existing home sales during the month of February. They rose a total of 1.2% to come in at an annual rate of 4.88 million units. However, that final read was slightly below expectations. Meanwhile, turning overseas, we have to focus once again on Greece as it continues to make headlines as debt talks for the nation remain in focus as both German Chancellor Angela Merkel as well as Greek Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras are now set to meet in the city of Berlin to talk about that debt restructuring and possible inclusion of Greece in the Eurozone. And in big corporate news today, we do have Tenet Healthcare as well as United Surgical Partners International, that's USPI, announcing that they are indeed going to combine to create the largest provider of ambulatory surgery in the United States. This in a total deal combined with cash as well as debt at $1.93 billion. And now you team that with the US dollar continuing to trade mixed to lower against its counterparts, as well as oil prices continuing to rise. And we do have gold prices seeing a slight rise as well. Then you have yourself a session right behind me where 2 shares continue to rise for every 2 decliners. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this trading session. And we conclude on the corporate front. Staples making headlines as UBS upgraded the stock to buy, noting a favorable risk and reward proposition. The investment bank thinks the office supplies retail company will, more likely than not, be able to close its acquisition of rival company Office Depot. And there you have it, guys. Grab yourself a drink and cheers, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning, and hopefully it'll be warmer in New York City. And I'll still have my tie on. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney. To buy... Oh, that's all right. Yeah, my fault. 5-4.